Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make Steam use your full internet speed. If Steam downloads seem much slower than your actual internet connection, the problem may not necessarily be Steam itself. Background applications, Windows network settings, download restrictions, cached download data, or bandwidth-limiting features can all prevent Steam from using the full speed available from your internet connection. Before making changes, it's important to determine whether Steam is truly downloading slowly or whether the issue lies elsewhere. The first step is to determine your actual internet speed. Open a speed testing service such as Speedtest by Ookla and run a speed test. This provides a baseline measurement of your connection's download speed, upload speed, and latency. Knowing your internet speed is important because it gives you something to compare against Steam's download performance. If your speed test shows a fast connection but Steam downloads remain slow, the issue is likely related to software settings rather than your internet provider. Once you know your connection speed, open Settings, Network and Internet. Within the network settings, select Ethernet if you are using a wired connection. Look for the option Set as Metered Connection. Make sure this option is turned off. A metered connection tells Windows to limit certain background network activities in order to conserve data usage. In some situations, this can affect how aggressively applications use available bandwidth. Disabling the metered connection setting allows Windows and applications such as Steam to operate without those restrictions. Next, review your network usage. Within the network and internet settings, navigate to Data Usage. This section displays which applications are consuming bandwidth on your system. Review the list carefully. If another application is heavily using your internet connection, for example, cloud synchronization software, streaming services, large downloads, or background updates, it may be competing with Steam for bandwidth. Closing or pausing unnecessary applications can free additional bandwidth for Steam downloads. If download speeds are still not reaching expected levels, return to Steam and review the download settings. Open Steam and click Steam Settings. Then navigate to Downloads. Within the Download section, locate Allow downloads during gameplay. Make sure this option is enabled. This setting allows Steam downloads to continue even while games are running. Next, locate Throttle downloads while streaming. Make sure this option is disabled. When enabled, this feature intentionally reduces download speeds while streaming content to prevent network congestion. Turning it off removes that limitation and allows Steam to use more of the available bandwidth. After reviewing these settings, locate Clear Download Cache. Click the button and confirm the action. Steam stores temporary download information in a local cache. Occasionally, corrupted or outdated cache data can affect download performance or create unusual download behavior. When the cache is cleared, Steam will restart and rebuild its download information. After Steam restarts, sign back in if necessary and test the download speed again. Many users notice improved performance after clearing the cache because the client establishes a fresh connection to Steam's content delivery network. It is also important to understand that Steam download speeds may fluctuate naturally. Steam often pauses network activity briefly while it verifies files, unpacks compressed game data, writes files to disk, applies updates, allocates storage space. During these moments, download speeds may temporarily drop even though the client is functioning normally. If disk activity is high while download speed decreases, Steam may be processing files rather than waiting on the internet. To summarize, making Steam use your full internet speed begins by running a speed test to determine your actual connection speed. Next, open Settings, Network and Internet, Ethernet, and ensure Set as Metered Connection is turned off. Review the Data Usage section to identify applications consuming bandwidth and close any unnecessary ones. Then open Steam, Settings, Downloads, enable Allow downloads during gameplay, disable throttle downloads while streaming, and finally clear the download cache. These steps help remove bandwidth limitations, eliminate download-related issues, and allow Steam to make better use of your available internet connection. And that's how to make Steam use your full internet speed. By verifying your actual connection speed, removing Windows bandwidth limitations, reducing background network usage, and optimizing Steam's download settings, you can often achieve faster and more consistent download performance without upgrading your internet plan. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.